Today, I'm going to show you how to add a blog to Uscreen using DropInBlog. Once you're logged into your Uscreen admin account, in your dashboard on the left side menu, click on Marketing. Then in the Marketing page, under Generate Leads, click on Landing Pages. Once the page loads, click on Create a Page. Choose a template and hover over the template you've chosen. Once the Choose Template button appears, click on it. Now in the page editor, we'll clean the page up until we're only left with one section. So go ahead and hover over each section until this trash icon appears. Click on it, and in the pop-up window, click on Confirm to delete the section. With only one section left on your page, hover over it and click on this plus icon that appears. In the slide-in menu, navigate to Custom HTML and click on it. A new section will be added. You can go ahead and delete the extra section above. Hover over it, click on the trash icon, then click on Confirm to delete the section. We don't need all of the extra sections, as DropInBlog will provide your blog page with what you need. Click on the HTML block that you've just added, and to the left under Code is where you'll add the 2 lines of code that you need to get from your DropInBlog account's code and layout page. Once in your DropInBlog account's code and layout page, under Blog Code under Step 1, click on Copy Code under the first line of code to copy it. Then go back to your Uscreen page editor, and under Code, paste the code you copied in the text box. Do the same for the second line of code. Back to your DropInBlog's code and layout page. Now under Step 2, click on Copy Code under the second line of code to copy it. Then go back to your Uscreen page editor. Under Code, right after the first line of code, paste the code that you just copied in the text box. As you can see here up top, just to the left of the Settings button, Uscreen automatically saves all of your changes to the page. Now click on the Settings button, and to the left in the slide-in window that appears is where you can customize your page details. Of course, under Page Name, since we used an existing template, it will have that template's default title. Let's change that. Name your page, we'll type in blog for simplicity. And under Page URL, customize that how you like. To be simple, we'll type in blog on this one as well. The next thing we'll do now is add a link to your blog in the navigation menu, because if you click on Preview Page here up top on the right, you'll be taken to your blog page. But as you can see up here in the navigation menu, there's no way to access your blog. So back to the Uscreen tab. On the left side menu, look for Website and click on it. You'll be taken to the website editor. Once loaded, on the right side, click on Navigation. Under Top Navigation, click on Add Navigation Link over here. And under Title, name your page. Once again, we'll type in blog to be simple. And under Link, click on the drop-down and choose Blog, which is the blog page that we just created. After that, just click on Save and Apply up top. And here in the preview, you'll see a link to your blog page in the top navigation menu. Now, make sure to visit your live blog after making all these changes. Other than to check if everything is working accordingly and to your liking, once you visit your live blog, your blog's URL will be set in your DropInBlog. So let's go ahead and do that. Since we viewed our blog page previously and haven't closed that tab, we'll just go back there and hit refresh. And there is your blog page linked in your navigation menu. Now let's go ahead and click on one of these posts. And there it is. Everything is looking great. And that is how you add a blog to Uscreen using DropInBlog. Happy logging!